Well, things are getting weird out there, guys. Oil prices dropped, and they will pay you to take it away if you have a tanker truck. They have nowhere to store the oil. And for how many decades have we heard that we're going to run out of oil, run out of oil, run out of oil? And all it took is a month, 2 months of reduced usage to get an oversupply to where we don't even have enough tanks to hold it. So right there kind of shows you how quickly something can crash. And anybody who thinks that that can't happen to crypto is just fooling themselves, because supply and demand just has to get out of whack. People suddenly, they don't want to experience that guillotine drop. And maybe they peg to the US dollar or gravitate to the US dollar for security. In the short term, I feel that the US dollar is the most secure place for your money for the short term. Now, like I've said in my other videos, am I selling all my crypto? No. Like if it went on a parabolic moonshot right now, my car doors would still be going vertical. They would still be opening vertical. Now, if it drops and I buy back in with some of the stuff I've pegged to USDC or just went to US dollar in general on some of the exchanges, I'll end up with more crypto. I'm gonna level up. So, arm's getting tired. So yeah, guys, it's just unprecedented times here with the market drop. And don't think that, oil, you think about crude oil, it's used in everything. It's used in plastic. It's used in everything. And like I said, we've heard it for 30 years or whatever. Probably longer, that, hey, we're gonna run out of oil. And this and that, and this kind of shows us that there's probably a lot more of it supply-wise than we think, and even less somewhat of a drawback for a short period of time can completely throw the markets way out of whack. Now, why is the stock market still held up? Why would stocks like BP even be where they're at? It's fallen lower than it did in 2010 when that oil well blew up. But is that low enough? It should go to $5. And oddly enough, with this whole thing, I haven't been interested in the stock and option market for a long time. And suddenly with all this, it's got me looking at it again, looking for opportunities. And used cars, there's going to be a lot of opportunities with used cars. So that exotic car that you want, maybe the price comes down to where you're able to afford it. So there are opportunities with this, but we cannot dismiss the whole situation. I can see from the comments on my last video, and I can see the way people act. There's so many people who just act like this is a fake demic. It's a fake pandemic. It's not real, blah, 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 this kind of stuff. And like I said before, I can lift 400 to 500 pounds, and I'm scared of this, and I don't want it. So that should tell you something right there. See me? I'm out here in the middle of the wilderness, thugging out. I haven't been to the store for over 2 weeks at this point. I haven't been out. I've been in hiding. So that should tell you something, guys. And at the end of the day, do I think a lot of this stuff is overvalued? Yeah, I think we're gonna see really, really vicious pullback here, whether it's a week or two before the halvening, or we got a deer or something, squirrels maybe. But I think there's going to be a very, very severe. I think there's going to be a very severe pullback. I don't know how many squirrels are there. Whoa, almost stepped in a mud puddle. But anyway, guys, I think we're going to have very, very severe pullbacks. And I don't see how anybody could think otherwise. If they think that there's security in something that's hyper volatile, like crypto in the short term, when markets are so irrational, I don't know, guys. Whatever, I'm straddling. If it goes up, car doors go vertical. If it goes down, I end up with more. Car doors go vertical. So we'll see, guys. Stay safe out there. Talk to you later.